The summer heat is on, and so are the summer bugs. And with just a little bit of knowledge, you can get after those pesky bugs and keep your garden totally organic. So today I would like to share with you how to naturally control aphids in your garden. And I've heard people claim that if you grow your garden perfectly, that the bugs will not attack your plants. And you know, that's a really tall order to grow your plants perfectly. Even a weather event can throw your plants off. So I don't think I can grow a perfect garden, so I'm willing to learn the skills to help my garden to be successful. Aphids enjoy my garden in the spring, and I can count on their appearance as soon as it gets warm. Aphids are soft, pear-shaped bodied insects that suck the juice out of the plants. So some aphids have wings. Most aphids are green, but they also come in red, yellow, gray, and black. Aphids are about 1/8 of an inch long, and they have 6 legs. They are born pregnant. Yep, that's right. They are born pregnant. Female aphids can give live birth to pregnant females, occurring for several generations. So in the fall, the female aphids mate with the males to produce eggs that winter over. And then the aphids secrete a sticky honeydew substance from their rear end. And the ants will carry the aphids around and harvest the honeydew from the aphids. In the fall, the ants will carry the aphid eggs into the nest and take care of the eggs until spring. And then in the spring, the ants will return the aphid eggs to the garden. So if you have an ant invasion, you want to look for aphids as well. And I know of 14 different ways to control aphids. And if you'd like to learn all 14 ways, go ahead and get our homemade and organic pest control ebook. But here are my 4 favorite ways to control aphids. So one is pyrethrins. So pyrethrins are extracts from a chrysanthemum plant, and you can get this in a spray or a powder, and you can use that in your garden. Number 2 is safer soap. It works well on aphids if you can get it on their bodies. It kills by suffocation. So aphids breathe through their pores, and safer soap clogs their pores and they can't breathe. Number 3 is repellent spray. This can be used to repel aphids, whiteflies, slugs, and cutworms. And you want to reapply this after it rains, or at least once a week. So you want to mix 1 minced bulb of garlic, 1 small minced onion, 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper in 1 quart of water. And then you're going to let that steep for at least 3 hours. And then next you're going to add 1 tablespoon of liquid soap. And go ahead and run this through a strainer to get the chunks out, and then put that in a sprayer, and you can spray that on the plants. And number 4 is garlic oil spray. So you use this for control over aphids, cabbage loopers, earwigs, June bugs, leafhoppers, squash bugs, and whiteflies. So you want to mince 1 bulb of garlic and soak it in 2 tablespoons of mineral oil for 24 hours. Next, mix 1 pint of water with a tablespoon of liquid soap, and then add the garlic mix to the water and the soap. And you want to mix this thoroughly. You're going to strain out the bits of garlic and place it in a jar for storage. Then use 1 to 2 tablespoons of garlic oil mixed to 2 cups of water, and spray that all over the plants. So these are my 4 favorite ways to control aphids. If you would like to learn the other 10 ways, you can get our homemade pest and organic control ebook. And you get that free when you sponsor the show. We give it away along with the Gardener's Guide to Perfect Soil and Preserving Fruits and Vegetables Guide. And this is for anyone who sponsors the show at just $8.50. And this is a $60 value that you can get for only $8.50. So if you would like to learn more about high-performance gardening skills that can lead to your success, go to our website, thelivingfarm.org. There you can find articles, videos, and e-courses that can help you on your way to success. If you want to learn how to grow $2,500 worth of organic produce with only a 15-minute-a-day commitment, sign up for the High Performance Garden Show. There are hundreds of episodes chock full of my best gardening secrets that I have learned over the last 3 decades. Go to thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show. It's free and online. Also, if you want to join the premier online community of people who grow food, medicine, and build resilient communities, join us today at thegrownetwork.com. Thanks so much for watching. May your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.